dikgolo
Tšhelete meropa ka pitšeng tše kgolo.
Phalaphala ya la pitšeng le melodi ya la pitšeng tše dikgolo
Tšhelete meropa ka pitšeng tše kgolo.
Phalaphala ya la pitšeng tše dikgolo
Tšhelete meropa ka pitšeng tše kgolo.
Speak of the devil.
Ladies,
Hi.
so I want to show you something. It fell from the easel when I was... It's with one of our waiters. He helped me scan and upload it.
I need to talk to him. No.
What's wrong?
Yes. I'm Liz.
Okay. Cindy,
Yeah.
is Funny around?
I'll go lunch break, but he'll be back in an hour. Is everything okay?
Ifoni yakho. Unganilandeli. Ladies, I'm in a rush, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye. We're having such a great time.
Ke manga ba tseba gore Teflop ina le talente kaka yo ka sebaka se ladies and gentlemen ke tla khopela principal Thobakgale gore a tla re join mo sefaleng. Principal Thobakgale, please, will you kindly join us, ma'am? Mutianga Lehovsi, ma'am, Mishanga Lehovsi, please. Thank you. Ke le khanyogela mahlogonolo mahlatsi ka moka. Ra lena ka moka, akere? You're gonna need it. Ladies and gentlemen, the third prize goes to the Teflop Gambu dancers. Batele matsogo. Let's go, let's go in. I wanna they go home with a 5,000 rand check, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Well done. Ekiona, Teflop, Gambu dancers, ladies and gentlemen. Now the second prize goes to... Ay, que barratile que le quiere level like a barrata rawadi pala. Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, Baberi Makaka sa group. Makaka sa dance group. No, they are now taking the 10,000 rands check, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause. And now, the big one, the one you've all been waiting for. Are you ready? Because I am so ready, it hurts. Ladies and gentlemen, first prize winner with a unanimous decision, get your hands down. Hey, Mommy Tella times 2!